Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Cricket with another sticker haul. This one is from So Cute Planner, and I am totally in love with them. I've been PRing for her for a not for a very long time, but since she started having PR girls, and I am truly blessed to be one of her PR girls. My PR code is PRCRI318, and that will get you 20% off. So I have two of them, and to be honest with you, I don't know which one is first, so I don't think it matters. I'm just going to show you as I go and be done that way. So the first thing, I'm going to put this one to the side. So let's see if we can get this going right. The first one, I got this cutie. I am so in love with this. I cannot wait. First of all, she does sell this washi tape, by the way. And it's perfect for Valentine's if you don't, or spring too. I just love it. And it has, I don't think it kind of pulls up. Maybe it does a little bit. It has like a glitter finish to it. It is so beautiful. Please do not mind my nails. I have said this in previous sticker hauls that I've just been filming. They're all kind of jacked up for me moving one salon into another salon. So the boxes have broke my nails off and cut my fingers all up. So please don't mind those. I apologize. They will be done soon as I get done moving, because there's no sense in doing it right now. But I did order the small sticker album, and it is mini sheet sticker book, and it's a 4x6 album. I love it. Isn't that cute? And there's Mello with a bow. She's adorable. And then it has a front to the back. But I figured I could put my little functionals in there that I use all the time of So Cute Planners, and kind of just keep it on my desk when I do my plan with me's. So that makes me a very happy girl. And then I ordered the foiled snowflake overlays in blue and silver. I think they're just pretty, and a lot of kits for like January still have like snow and stuff in them. January and February actually. And so I thought I would get these just to kind of help emphasize some of the snow that's in some of my kits that I've already ordered. So I got silver and blue. And then I got the real glitter headers in silver. Love. And then rose gold. This was the PR freebie. Full box, half box, snowman, and then bow glitter dividers. And then this was a So Cute Planner. Her headers, half doily, asterisk, and bow in silver. Isn't that beautiful? And then the full box, half doily, asterisks, and bows. And that is the information for you, but I will also have it down below. And then this cutie right here, you'll be seeing this in a plan with me soon. So here are the full boxes. Are they not adorable? Look how cute. And your flags, your full heart check boxes and teardrops, your half boxes, sidebar, full heart check flags and half heart check flags, your bottom washies, your washi strips and glitter headers, your water trackers, your habit trackers, asterisks, hearts, TV, and food, and then functionals right here. Your to-dos headers and in little things, 3 heart check boxes and half boxes and more functional icons. Your day covers, which I love, they're mittens, and teardrops with your day, I want to say these are flags, weekend banner, and scripts. I'll give you a second to look at all the scripts. And then more functionals with canceled, rescheduled, nope, $2 Tuesday, So Cute Planner new releases, mellows, coffee, and then functional and icons. Isn't that cute? And that's the snowman kit. I think that one's adorable. It's one of my favorites. So I'm going to put that one right there. And then open this one. Yeah, and it's been a while since I've been able to film sticker hauls, just because of me moving my salons, selling one salon and opening up another one. So y'all just please forgive me for that. Here's another sticker book that I just ordered, and she was Johnny on the spot on this one. She got this one out fast. And this is Mellow here. Isn't that cute? Holding a flower in the front and the back. Love it. Put that one over there with that one. And then I ordered Blooming Love planner stickers for Valentine's. And then I also ordered, let me open this. This one came, I got a sticker pack. Isn't that cute? Love that. Love, love, love that. And then this was the PR freebie that it came with. There's a full box, half box, your pink glitter headers, and some Bayers. So when you mention my name, you get this free PR freebie. Then here is some gold glitter bows. I ordered work. Well, let me just show you this one. Then here are the pink and silver glitter bows, or glitter headers, I should say. Then I ordered work, and then I ordered silver real glitter headers, or real glitter header silver. Love them. I ordered 2 of those, and then I ordered this one, the pink. Figure with Valentine's coming up and spring coming up, you know, around the corner. And then I ordered the rose gold in 2 of those. These, once you use them, you don't want to stop using them. Serious, guys. And then here is the January monthly kit. And here's your full. And I like that she doesn't put the year on it, because that way you can use it anytime you want to. Like if I need to use one for next year. And then you have your appointment boxes down here. And then you have your full boxes right here to take up the time. And then February, I love how she does this now. And then your day cover, or your dates, excuse me, paydays, bill dues, and then your icons and functionals. I love that. And then she has your sidebar with birthday reminders, and then your paydays, pay car, all of those, and then your sidebar in your New Year's Day, Martin Luther King, what's important this month, events, etc. And then I ordered the February one as well. And then there's your full boxes, your dates, and the same as in with March. Your sidebar, your paydays, and then here's March. That's beautiful. And then that one, the day covers for that one with the April. And then these are full boxes that take up room, that, you know, when you have extra days in the month. Then your sidebar and your birthday reminders. And that is the monthly, this is called Winter January, Sweetheart February, and Secret Garden March. So those are the 3 of those. And then I ordered also the Blooming Love planner stickers. This is Valentine Flower Glitter weekly kit. Might work in my my rings. So here are your full boxes. See, they're a little bit smaller, so I'm liking that. And then the half boxes and quarter boxes. And then your full check boxes, and see, everything's just smaller. And then your Monday through Fridays, your check boxes, your habit trackers. I'm loving this. Then your washi strips, your bottom washi, and then you got little tiny washi strips as well that you can use, like for your Happy Planner horizontal. But again, like I'm saying, I'm going to use it in my personal wide. Your headers, your habit trackers, like your water trackers, TV and food, more half boxes, your day covers, your date flags, your bill dues, your plan time, date night, me time, shopping, movie night, laundry, cleaning day, you got this, but first coffee, family time, and then your weekend banner going up and down. I'm in love with that. And then your functionals and icons. And then this is an add-on. This is the gold. These are gold bows that you can get, pins, paper clips, and doilies. Isn't that beautiful? I am in love with that. And so that was the Blooming Love Planner Sticker Kit. Love, love, love. So beautiful. So make sure you go check her out. Like I said, she has monthly kits. She's got horizontal kits. Everything. So let me find February. Can't leave February out here. There we go. And then the glitter headers, your sticker books. I mean, she's got it all. Functionals, even sticker pads, full kits, foiled overlays. I mean, you name it, she's got it. So go check her out. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Check out Planner Nina on Instagram and on Facebook so that you know when the sales are going on, and because she does have sales quite frequently, and she's on Zulily sometimes. So, you know, make sure that you keep an eye on my Instagram and Facebook, because I do advertise every day and quite a bit all day long. So I hope you like this video. I hope you come back and see me again. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.